Hey, welcome brothers and sisters to my channel Faisal Azib. In this lecture I will start a new chapter and it's about tables. How you create them, how to update them, etc, etc. What are the type of tables. So we'll see all this in detail in this chapter. So in this video I will talk about the different type of tables. How to add new tables, different way that you can do this. So the first way is to go to the insert. This is the native table insert, and here you have the tables. Here they are predefined tables in PowerPoint. You can choose a number or row and columns that you want, and you click, and you got your tables. Okay, here is your tables. Here is the first part. After this, you can of course add your data, etc., etc. So that is the first way to create a table. The second way is to copy paste from the Excel file. So I have created simple table in Excel, and here what you will do, you will select all your table and you will copy Ctrl+C if you are in Windows, Command+C in Mac, and go to the PowerPoint, and I will just move this one here, and Ctrl+V, paste, and you got your tables. Okay, there is the second way, so to get it from the Excel file. The third way is to import the table from the Excel, but not the same way that I have do now, not Ctrl+P, Ctrl+C. What I will do now, I will go to the insert, and here I will go to the object. Okay, object, and now I will choose not create new, I will choose create from file. What I will choose now, I will choose where the table are created in Excel, which file. So I will go to the my file quickly, and here is my file where I have the table. So I will click OK. After this I click OK here again, and I got my table. Okay, here is my table. So I just delete, move this one, and here is our table. Good. What we can do also, the fourth way is to create your table from scratch. Yeah, from scratch. We see all of this in this chapter. Don't worry, one by one. So there is four ways how to create or use table in PowerPoint. The first way is to go to the insert table. The second is to copy paste from the Excel file. The third is to go to the insert object, and you go to create from file, and the fourth is to create it from scratch with your own design. So see you for in the next video, inshallah, to talk about the first way, I mean how to create table with native, and we enter more in detail in each video, inshallah. Thank you, brothers and sisters, to follow this course until this moment. If you like it, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow me on Instagram, teams.winners and faisal.chico, and in Telegram, Brilliant Practice and Share. Take care of us. I tell you goodbye. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.